Login failed on ClearBank Fix. If you're trying to access your ClearBank account and suddenly see a login failed message, it can be worrying, especially when you're dealing with financial data. But here's the truth: most login errors on ClearBank have simple explanations and quick fixes. Let's walk through them step by step so you can get back in fast. First, start by making sure you're on the official ClearBank login page. Go to ClearBank manually in your browser, and don't rely on saved bookmarks or email links. Old links can lead to expired sessions that instantly cause login failures. Next, check your internet connection. ClearBank uses advanced encryption and multi-factor authentication. That means if your connection is unstable, or if you're using a VPN or corporate firewall, it might block secure access. Try connecting through a private Wi-Fi network and disable any VPNs temporarily. If your credentials are correct, but the login still fails, it's time to clear your browser's cache and cookies. Old session data or expired tokens can prevent the login portal from loading properly. In your browser settings, clear cookies and cache, then close and reopen your browser before trying again. If you're using multi-factor authentication and the code doesn't work, check the time settings on your phone. Authentication apps rely on accurate time synchronization. Even a small clock mismatch can make your code invalid. Forgot your password? Pick Forgot Password on the login page and reset it safely. Create a strong new password and avoid reusing old ones to maintain account security. Still can't log in? Try another browser like Chrome or Edge, or switch from mobile to desktop. Sometimes browser extensions like ad blockers interfere with secure logins. Finally, remember that ClearBank occasionally performs system maintenance or updates that can temporarily affect login access. Waiting 15 minutes and trying again often resolves it. So, if your login failed on ClearBank, don't panic. Most issues can be fixed in minutes. Just verify your connection, clear your cache, and make sure your authentication details are synced. You'll be back in your account managing transactions safely and smoothly.